Find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5, -6 and -1, -4. Also find the points of intersection. Solution. Let the given points be A, which is 5, -6 and B, which is -1, -4. Point on y-axis be P, which is 0, y, and point P divides AB in the ratio K is to 1. Using section formula, we have P of x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1y, m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. That is 0, y is equal to k of -1 plus 1 of 5 by k plus 1, k of -4 plus 1 of -6 by k plus 1. Solving this, we get 0, y is equal to -k plus 5 by k plus 1, -4k minus 6 by k plus 1. Consider this as equation 1. Comparing the x coordinate, we have 0 is equal to -k plus 5 by k plus 1, which implies 0 is equal to -k plus 5. Rearranging the terms, we get k is equal to 5 implies k is to 1, which is equal to 5 is to 1. Substituting the value of k in equation 1, we get 0, y is equal to -5 plus 5 by 5 plus 1, -4 of 5 minus 6 by 5 plus 1. This implies 0, y is equal to 0 by 6, -20 minus 6 by 6, which gives 0, y is equal to 0, -26 by 6. Solving this, we get 0, y is equal to 0, -13 by 3. Therefore, the point of intersection is 0, -13 by 3.